A Destruct USB device, a game-changer in the realm of data security. This innovative tool ensures unparalleled protection for sensitive information. With a simple plug-and-play mechanism, it swiftly renders USB ports unusable, thwarting unauthorized access and potential breaches. From corporate environments safeguarding trade secrets to individuals protecting personal data, the Destruct USB device is an essential asset. Its sleek, portable design conceals its potent capabilities, making it an indispensable companion for anyone prioritizing privacy and security in our increasingly digital world. Stay ahead of threats with the ultimate defense, the Destruct USB device. Flipper Zero, a revolutionary device merging versatility with security in the palm of your hand. From hacking to hardware control, it's a Swiss Army knife for digital exploration. With the RFID cloning, infrared communication, and more, it empowers users to understand and protect against modern threats. Whether you're a cybersecurity enthusiast or a professional, its intuitive interface makes complex tasks accessible. Compact yet powerful, Flipper Zero is essential for anyone navigating the digital landscape. Elevate your security game with the ultimate tool, Flipper Zero. Here is the Electromagnet with remote control. Your new best friend in the world of quirky gadgets. Imagine having the power to move things with just the press of a button. It's like being a superhero, but with a remote control. Whether you're pranking your friends by mysteriously moving objects or impressing your pets with your newfound telekinetic abilities, this gadget adds a hilarious twist to everyday life. Compact, powerful, and downright fun, the Electromagnet with remote control is the must-have accessory for anyone looking to add a dash of magic to their world. WiPhone, a revolutionary device reshaping our communication landscape. More than just a smartphone, it's a beacon of versatility and innovation. With its open-source platform, users can tailor it to suit their needs, from coding experiments to custom applications. Equipped with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular connectivity, it ensures seamless communication anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a tech enthusiast developer or simply seeking an alternative to mainstream smartphones, the WiPhone offers a refreshing departure. Embrace the freedom to create, connect, and communicate on your terms with the WiPhone, a beacon of empowerment in the digital age. The Lawmate CM-TC10, a discrete surveillance tool designed for covert audio and video capture. Its compact form factor allows seamless integration into everyday objects, ensuring undetected monitoring. With 1080p resolution and remote control capabilities, it delivers high-quality footage for security and investigative purposes. Ideal for law enforcement, private investigators, or individuals requiring covert surveillance, the CM-TC10 guarantees reliable operation and clear evidence collection. This cutting-edge gadget embodies advanced technology, providing essential tools for discrete surveillance where reliability and discretion are paramount. Stay ahead of the game and enhance your surveillance capabilities with the Lawmate CM-TC10. DSTIKE Deauther watch. Your Wi-Fi warrior wristwear. This sleek gadget is more than just a timepiece, it's a digital disruptor. Ever dreamt of having the power to control Wi-Fi networks with a flick of your wrist? Well, now you can. With its Deauther feature, you can prank your pals or secure your own network like a tech ninja. Compact and stylish, it's the ultimate blend of utility and fashion. Whether you're defending your cyber turf or just up for some Wi-Fi hijinks, the DSTIKE Deauther watch is your go-to gadget for Wi-Fi wizardry on the fly. The SWNN high-power blue pointer. A laser emitting a powerful blue beam, it's ideal for presentations, stargazing, and outdoor signaling. However, caution is paramount. Avoid pointing it at people, animals, or aircraft to prevent accidents. Keep it away from flammable materials and handle with care. This precision tool is perfect for educators, astronomers, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With its compact design, it's ready for action wherever you go. Elevate your presentations and outdoor experiences with the SWNN high-power blue pointer, but remember, safety first, use responsibly, and never aim at anything you wouldn't want to hit. Just remember, it's all fun and games until someone loses an eye. The MidZoo spy glasses. Your ticket to becoming the undercover agent you always dreamed of. These sleek shades do more than just shield your eyes from the sun. They're equipped with a discreet camera for all your espionage adventures. From capturing secret footage to documenting your most epic fails, these glasses have you covered. Just remember to keep your cool and avoid blowing your cover. No one likes a clumsy spy. Whether you're on a top-secret mission or just documenting your everyday escapades, the MidZoo spy glasses are your trusty sidekick, ready to add a touch of intrigue to any situation. Here is the RFID-NFC Skimmer, the mischievous gadget that's here to turn heads and swipe cards, figuratively, of course. Picture this: a compact tool that effortlessly captures data from RFID and NFC-enabled cards and devices. It's like having a digital pickpocket in your pocket, ready to prank your friends or make you the king of the office magic tricks. But hey, remember to keep it playful, no real theft, folks. So, whether you're impressing pals with your tech prowess or just adding a touch of mischief to your day, the RFID-NFC Skimmer is your ticket to digital wizardry and endless fun. Multipick Kronos. The premier tool for locksmiths and security enthusiasts alike, revolutionizing the art of lock picking with finesse and precision. Designed for legitimate purposes, it empowers professionals to access locked spaces lawfully, aiding in rescue operations and security assessments. However, it's crucial to emphasize responsible use. This tool is not intended for illicit activities. Let's keep the mischief to a minimum, folks. Ready for more tech hilarity? Subscribe to TechZoo for tech gadget adventures. Let's explore together. Hit that subscribe button now.